Do you hear that crunch? That crunch is amazing. Tasty. Oh my goodness. So good.
Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing night. Okay, right here, I am doing a oyster mushroom sandwich. Now, right here, I was a little skeptical because this is baking flour, and this was the only flour I had on hand. And when I think of baking flour, I'm like, oh my goodness, was this just for cookies and cakes, or could I use this for my mushrooms? But I said, you know what, we're going to use this for the mushrooms and see how it came out. Now, I don't know if that's why the mushrooms was like crispy, okay, all right? But anywho, they came out really tasty and delicious.
So to my dry batter, I am going to be using some Tony's Slap Your Mama. Some smoked paprika. Some onion powder. Some black pepper. Some real sea salt. Just gonna give that a mix. Mixy. Okay. Now we're gonna dip our mushrooms. I see people doing it from the dry to the wet, but I'm gonna do it from the wet to the dry. I'm gonna do it from the wet to the dry. It's kind of thick. Chill, I just hope this comes out the way I visioned in my mind. So this is pretty much how it's looking. Now, I had brought 2 packs of oyster mushrooms earlier from Whole Foods. You know what? We ain't even gonna talk about it because if we don't want that to show up again, we ain't gonna talk about it, okay? Now this flour is kind of thick. I could just hear somebody saying, that's what she said. All right. Okay. I'm going to pour my grapeseed oil into my pan. Okay. And let that get hot. Okay, when I come over here to my little dish right here, okay, it puts me in the mind of me having a garden. Okay, in my mind, this is my garden outside. Okay, all right. Beefsteak tomato. We're gonna take our jalapeno and we're gonna cut ourselves up an onion. I love beefsteak tomatoes. Oh my goodness, they are so tasty and juicy. Oh. All right, come on, knife. You're making me look bad. Look at this. All right, honey, that'll do. All right, I'm gonna chop up a piece of purple onion. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh, then our jalapeno. And if you don't like spice, don't put Willem seeds in there. Oh, I think I'm going to just do about this much with the jalapeno because, honey, that's going to be spicy. All right. Now we're going to go on and add our mushrooms to the pan. All right, hold on, Carol. Honey, I ain't trying to get burned, okay? All right, This looks just like chicken, okay? Oh my goodness. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and add some 24 herbs and spices to the mushrooms. This is the bread that I'm using, the whole grain, okay? And I'm going to take my homemade vegan mayo that is made out of chickpeas, okay, and aqua fiber, okay? So proud of myself, girl. All right. Oh, gosh. Oh, this is going to be tasty. Do you hear that crunch? That crunch is amazing. Okay, So we have some Violife. Now I should have put the cheese like right after I put the mushroom on there. But that's okay. All right, that is okay. And it don't have to be melted. All right, because I ain't got time for all of that. Okay, child. Let me get some mustard and put some. Oh my goodness. 1 second, child. I almost forgot the main star of the show. Okay. Well, the mushrooms is the main star, but the romaine letters. Okay. And I got some pickled onions. Oh, honey, this is really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some mustard on here. Wait, let me shake this mustard up. Ooh. Okay, no, I think, oh, that's probably too much. Okay, then go ahead and put our pickled onions on. Okay, so this is pretty much how it's looking. Let me take my thumbnail, honey.